You know, there's always one thing that I've always respected about the market. The market will do whatever it wants to do at any particular time, and there's nothing you can do about it. Right. So I'm going to show you what happened on this gold trade that turned out to be a loss. So let me show you exactly what happened. Gold, beautiful gold trade was sent as a signal right here, where we had a nice rally based drop supply zone with nice liquidity, which was taken out. And then the market also opened up with an Asian session, which was taken out. The market reacted from our zone initially from here. And then what the market do? The market actually went to the upside and broke structure, then came back for a confirmed entry. And then that's when we were able to actually enter this particular trade. However, unfortunately, this trade turned out to be a loss. Let me show you exactly what happened, right? So if you go to the higher time frame, let's go to the higher time frame right now, the 4-hour time frame, and we zoom out, you're going to realize that this gold trade has been pushing to the upside for a longest time. Therefore, the smartest thing to do right now is to look for buying opportunities, right? Because the market was showing a retracement. Therefore, I was looking at, okay, maybe this level can hold, maybe this level can hold, so that we can push the market to the upside, right? So when I went here, I went to the lower time frame. I went further to the 2-hour time frame so that we can do the multiple time frame analysis. Okay, so you always have to make sure that you are doing your multiple time frame analysis every time. Okay, so you can see that right here we had this nice big momentum candle. We had a drop base rally, which broke structure right there. So that's clean, right? And then you also have liquidity right there. So let's drop to the 30 minutes time frame so that we can see what was happening there. So it's always important you do your multiple time frames, have multiple time frame analysis every time so that you can come up with those nice entries at the end of the day. So it's always important. Okay, so let's just give it time to load. So right here you can see that on the 30 minutes time frame, even the liquidity is very certain. Right here you can see that this is a low and that's a low, and then you can see that the market came and took out the Asian session and also came and took out this liquidity right here by this candle right there. So let me just move this a bit here. Yeah. So we had the market tapping into our area, then pushing to the upside. So as the market did that, you're going to realize that the market also broke the previous high, which was created after the market had reacted from our zone. Things that we always look for in the market. Okay. You can see the market tapped into our area and then it went to the upside and broke this low right there. And you can see from here, once the market did that, it came back into our area. We were able to execute once the market came to this level right there. So once the market came here, because of this level right here, we were able to execute. And you can see that the market actually went a bit in our direction. However, London session came and the market just dropped to the downside. You can see from this trade that you followed everything. We followed everything to the T. We made sure that we waited for our confirmation. We waited for the break of structure. However, at the end of the day, the market ended up doing whatever it wanted to do because you and I have no control over outcome. No matter how much we would love to, we will never have control over what's going to happen in the market. No matter how much your win rate is, no matter what, you will never be able to tell in advance whether the trade is going to be in a direction or not. All right. So this is exactly what happened on this particular trade. We followed everything, and yet the trade still ended up to be a loss. And yeah, so it's part of the game. These losses are going to come. You're going to have countless number of losses in the market, and we have no control over that. You and I have no control over that. And then the only thing that we can control is our risk. How much are we risking on this particular trade? How much are we willing to actually see if this trade is actually going to go in our direction? And then we are supposed to be confident in that. That's the only thing that we have control over. Whether the trade is going to win or not, that one is outside our circle of control, and we should not even try to do it because no matter how many confluences your strategy is going to have, that too can actually fail. The market works in terms of probability, and you and I would never be able to tell when the market will actually go in our direction. Therefore, risk management becomes very important, and being able to handle our emotions whenever we are actually taking such losses, because It can be very demoralizing when you followed everything to the T and still lose. However, that's the reality of trading. You can do everything. The setup can have all your confluences, but again, that trade can actually lose. So that's the iron of trading. However, that's what keeps trading a mystery. So make sure you are following your strategy to the T. Make sure you're taking high probability setups, and then make sure you are respecting your risk management. And that's the only thing that you can do. All right. So I just thought of sharing this, and I really hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. And by the way, tomorrow is the last day of our promotion, which is ending on the 28th of February, the last day of the month, where we have a 50% of all our services, starting from mentorship. So if you're paying $250, you pay $125, and you have access to everything, lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. And then also for signals alone, you get to pay $25 instead of you paying $50. All right. So check the first link in the description and get started right now. Remember, it's ending tomorrow and it's on first come, first serve basis. All right, you guys, until next time, goodbye.